Welcome to our guide on implementing LAPS in Microsoft Entra and Intune. Let's start with the essential preparations. Before integrating LAPS, or Local Administrator Password Solution, with Intune, ensure your Windows platform is supported. This includes Windows 10, version 20H2 or later, updated with the security patch from April 11, 2023. Windows 11, version 21H2 or later, also updated as of April 11, 2023. And Windows Server 2019 and subsequent versions, with the April 11, 2023 security update. Note that activating Azure AD Local Administrator Password Solution in your Azure tenant may be necessary. Now, let's move to activating LAPS in your Azure tenant. To enable LAPS in Microsoft Entra, navigate through Entra ID, then Devices, Device Settings, and finally, enable Microsoft Entra Local Administrator Password Solution, or LAPS. Next, we'll configure LAPS via Intune. Start by setting up an account protection policy. Access Microsoft Intune at intune.microsoft.com. Navigate to Endpoint Security, then Account Protection, and select Create Policy. Choose Windows 10 or later for the platform and Local Admin Password Solution for the profile. Then, click Create. Assign a relevant name and an optional description to your policy, and proceed by clicking Next. Let's overview the configuration options. The settings include Backup Directory, where to back up the local administrator password. Administrator account name, manage a specific account's password through the policy. Password complexity, set the complexity requirements. Password length, choose the length, with a default of 14 characters. Post-authentication actions, determines actions post-successful authentication. Post-authentication reset delay, time delay before executing post-authentication actions. In the Assignments tab, assign this policy to specific device groups or to all devices. Review and verify the policy's details in the Review plus Create section before finalizing. To enable the local administrator account, go to Microsoft Intune Admin Center, Devices, Configuration Profiles, and Create Profiles. Select Windows 10 and later for Platform and Settings Catalog for profile type. Then, click Create. Add a name and description to your configuration profile policy and proceed. Click on plus Add Settings. Search for the Local Policy Security Options category. Select Accounts Enabled Administrator Account Status and then enable it. Assign to the included groups as desired. Finally, accessing a device's local admin password via the Intune portal is straightforward. Visit Select Devices, then choose a device. The Local Admin Password option is available in the left pane. If you encounter issues, examine Windows LAPS event logs for insights. Thank you for following our guide on implementing LAPS in Microsoft Entra and Intune. We hope this information helps you manage your devices more efficiently and securely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more updates.